Good morning, student. Today we are going to study about two commodity. What is the two commodity? X and Y. When a commodity X and Y and income is going to be spent. You can also say that when a consumer is going to be spend his income in two commodity. The name of the commodity I am going to take X and Y. So what is the law? The law is that consumer is going to make that you can say that allocate what is very appropriate, that allocate his or income in X and Y commodity. Suppose X commodity and Y commodity. I am going to take X commodity and Y commodity with the help of one example, my dear student. So I am going to take units. Okay, units. In this units, I am going to take simply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so these are the units. So I am going to find out MUX of 1, MUY. This is the two commodity. So two commodity have MUX and MUY. And another is here MUX upon PX. Here MUY upon PY. Here it is a situation where consumer is going to be spend what type of the amount? Suppose he is going to spend 50. So one commodity MUAX is equal to 50, 45, okay, 40, 35, 30 and 25. Okay. Another MUY I am going to take 80, 70, 60, 50, 40 and 30. Simple. You are going to find out MUX upon PX. So the price of the X commodity, I am going to take the price of X commodity and the price of Y commodity. Here I am going to take, suppose the price of X commodity is 5 rupees and the price of the Y commodity is 10 rupees. Okay, this is the price. And consumer has a income. Consumer income is, suppose rupees, I am going to take 40 rupees. Okay, so consumer is going to spend 40 rupees on a two commodity, that is called X and Y. So it is going to be, you can say, allocation. What is the allocation? Simple. In the first situation, what is MUX upon PX? MUX is equal to 50, that is 50 upon 5 is equal to 10. What is MUY? 80, 80 upon 10, that is equal to 8. So this way you are going to find out all the situation here. So I am going to write here 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. In the similarly here also 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. You can find out with the help of. In this situation, my dear student, what is the situation here? Consumer has an income 40 rupees. He is going to spend 40 rupees in two commodities. The name of the commodities I am taking X and Y. So on the particular X and Y, the price of X commodity is equal to 5 rupees and the price of Y commodity is 10 rupees. My dear student, it is a very simple thing that if 40 rupees going to be purchased two things. So how many quantity of X he is going to take, how many commodity is going to Y is going to take. So at last he get a maximum satisfaction, and how it get a maximum satisfaction, when the amount of this 40 rupees is going to be equal. So in this situation, suppose I am going to take 3. Okay, suppose let's take the example here. X commodity is going to be purchased 3 and Y commodity is going to be purchased 1. The price of X commodity is equal to 5 rupees and the price of Y commodity is equal to 10 rupees. You just multiply how much?
15.
15. So 15 and you just take 10. So how much is that? 25. Only 25 rupees going to be spent in this situation. So 25 is total expenditure. So it is not a total adjustment. You can take another adjustment. So with the help of another adjustment, you find out if he is going to take 4 units of X commodity, 4 units of X commodity is equal to 4 into 5 is equal to 20 rupees. And what about the rest 20 rupees plus 2 units of Y commodity, okay, is equal to 2 into 10 is equal to 20. It means he spent total amount 20 rupees. This is the equilibrium position. You can equi margin, equi means equal. Here equi means equal. What type of equal? Is going to equal distribution of the money, okay, on a particular commodity. So in this situation, consumer is going to be spend all these things. So what quantity is going to be purchased? 4 units of X and 2 units of Y commodity. So it is a situation. Here you can see that 2 units and 4 units. Okay, this is a situation. 2 units. So what is the 2 units? 2 units of Y commodity. 2 units of Y commodity. Okay, and 4 units of X commodity. So what will you observe in this situation? MUX is equal to PX. You can see here MUX is equal to PX. What is MUX is equal to PX? 7. And what is the MUY upon PY? Also 7. So according to this law, both will be equal. In this situation, MUX is equal to PX. Okay, it is our law. So I conclude here, my dear student, simple law is that a consumer has 40 rupees. His 40 rupees going to be spent at 2 commodity. The price of the commodity is given 5 rupees, 10 rupees. Okay, and here you are going to find out what quantity of X commodity is going to be purchased and what quantity of Y commodity is purchased. Simply we find out 4 units of X commodity and 2 units of Y commodity. So the 40 rupees going to be spent easily and consumer get maximum satisfaction. So the law is that MUX is equal to MUY upon YX. So it is a situation where here you can also observe with the help of the graph where the XX in this 7 is here, MUX 7, you find out where is 7. With the help of this situation you can say that, sir, 2 units of X commodity, Y commodity and 4 units of X commodity is going to be purchased. That is called equilibrium. Equilibrium is equally distribution. Okay, thank you my dear students. Hope you can understand this topic. It is our formulation, it is our law, it is our explanation. With the help of any example you can graph. Okay, thank you my dear student.